Alright, so we're going to switch. Well, I just greased the machine up, so I took the bucket off, and now we're putting on this smaller bucket. This is my favorite bucket. And it's not good for digging, but it's some good for trees. So we're just getting the hydraulic wedge coupler connected. Okay, so you're there. Another branch just clipped something on the roof. Okay, now we're ready. We're gonna see if we can snap this guy here. Okay. I wonder if I can put my blade on the end here and then pull it and then see if we can snap it. Oh, come on. Yeah, of course. Put the blade on, see if we can snap a little bit. It's not going to snap where I want it, but alright, so start a new pile. Down, give it a pinch, there, pink, see if this will work, there we go, and then, so since it's broken like that, if you can drag it across and fold it on itself, alright, well that works too. And then might be able to stack it neat. Alright. Chainsaw administered. And then you see that branch coming right towards myself. That's why you can't just be. Alright, this might be a better view. To go get my phone. I'm expecting a call. Alright, so with a grapple you try and get underneath it as much as you can, and then if you bring it up, drive forward and curl over top, and then kind of raise it and bring it in, close it at the same time. It's kind of like your best bang for your buck. Doing this with two hands, so my left hand is now on the joystick, and then I use my right hand, reach back and do the remote. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Get in there. 20.5 foot reach. It's not enough. I know, but it's what I have. Let's see if we can get this stump up and over. Makes you a little front heavy here. And I should have came in backwards. Alright. Okay. So let me get this guy. You may say, oh yeah, just, you know what, we have lots of room, just throw the trees over there, but I know it's a lot. It was like the pile is going to get even bigger, and they're going to have to look at it. And so we want to make sure that, you know, they're getting what they expect, which is, you know, a bit of tree debris, but we can kind of try and hide it so that it is the best of both worlds. They don't have to spend any extra money on hauling. It's just all 100% groundwork. That's a big log. Alright, that's a big boy right there. Come on, baby. There we go. So this machine has about almost 13,000 foot-pounds of traction force. And the bucket is pretty much the same thing. When you're digging, you get about almost 13,000. It's called breakout